Dear students, now I will continue with our topic, that is division of decimals. Okay, so in the last video I explained few examples, and I also explained how to divide the decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. So try to solve question number 1 and 2 using those examples. Question number 1 and 2 of exercise 3.3 using those examples. And now just try to concentrate on question number 3. The question number 3 is also similar to second, but there is something different. What is different? That third A, we need to divide 286.68 divided by 12. Now we can see there is no decimal in the denominator or no decimal in the divisor. Okay, so if there is no decimal, so we no need to count the decimal places. We will directly divide 12 divided by 286.68 and we will get our answer. Okay, so hint for the solution I given, try to solve. If you have doubt, you can ask again. Okay, similarly third C, 1089 divided by 4.5. Now in this case the decimal is placed in the divisor only. There is no any decimal in numerator. Okay, so we will remove the decimal, remove the decimal point. After removing the decimal, after decimal there is one digit, so we will put 10 in the numerator. Understood? We will put 10 in the numerator, so it will be 10,890 upon 45, and then you can divide these numbers. Okay, what I done there, listen it again. There is one digit after decimal in the divisor only, in the denominator only, so we will remove this decimal, and there is one digit, so we will put 10 in the numerator. Understood? And then we have to divide. Similarly E option, third E, 62.7, 5.5. Now again decimal in the denominator and numerator both. You can see there decimal in the numerator and denominator both. So count the number of decimal places. In the numerator there is 1, in the denominator also there is 1. They both are equal. 1 minus 1 it will be 0. So we no need to put point in any of the number, neither in the numerator, neither in the denominator. Did you understood what we need to do here? That is similar to question number second, the examples that I explained in the last video. If decimal is there in both the number, if in the numerator and denominator on the both digits decimal is there, then count the decimal places. Listen it carefully, count the decimal places. In the numerator it was 1, in the denominator also it was 1. They both are equal. 1 minus 1 it will be 0. So we will not put decimal again in any of the number. The answer will be 627 divided by 55, and afterwards now you have to divide 627 by 55, and you have to find the answer in the decimal again there. And this F is similar to that question number C. The decimal in the denominator only, not in the numerator. After decimal one digit, so we will remove the point and then we will put the 0 there in the numerator, because after denominator only one digit, so we will put 10. If there was two digit, then we have to put two zeros. Okay, now question number 4. Just read the question. The product of two numbers is 253.134. If one number is 12.6, then find the other number. The product of two numbers. Dear students, listen it carefully, read it carefully. So many times you got this kind of question. In the fractions chapter you got, in the last year also, whenever you done any chapter of decimal, fraction or any other, you have got this kind of questions. If you done the chapter of integers also, then also you have done this kind of question. Every time the question, the pattern of the question remains same. So many times I told also, the pattern of the question will not change. Now if this is the question of decimal, the numbers will be given in the decimals. The product of two numbers is given 253.134. It is given in the form of decimal. In the last chapter it was fraction, so that was similar question was given in the form of fractions also, but now it is decimals, so given in the decimal. Pattern of the question, pattern of the solution, everything remains same. The product, again read the question, the product of two numbers is 253.134. If one number is 12.6, find the other number. Let the other number is x, let the second number is x, first number is 12.6. Now what is given? That product of these two numbers, 12.6 multiplied by x equals to 253.134. Now this is in multiply, we'll go into the divide, and now you already knows how to divide a decimal by decimal. Count the decimal places, then subtract, and then again put the point. Here decimal places in the numerator are 3, in the denominator it is 1, so 3 minus 1 it will be 2, so put decimal after 2 digit in the numerator. Try to solve all the other questions of this exercise, and if you found any doubt, if you got any doubt, then you can ask me again by message. Thank you.